Aloha, this is Chef Maka Kwon. Welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. Today we're going to do chicken with zucchini and kimchi sauce. Wash zucchini and cut on diagonal into 2-inch pieces. Peel and slice garlic and onion. Cut chicken into cubes. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat. Add oil. When it starts to shimmer, add the chicken and sear for 7 minutes until halfway cooked. Reduce heat down to medium, add garlic, onion, and cook for 3 minutes. Then add zucchini, soy sauce, sugars, kimchi base, and little water if needed. Turn to low heat, cover pan and simmer for about 8 minutes. Enjoy this easy to prepare dish with steamed rice and your favorite beer. For this recipe and more, visit ktsuperstores.com/recipes.